Yebo. All right, hayi njalo ayijiki manje. Right, we continue ne. So, a recap again of the episode manje. It was episode 6. Sikhuluma ngabehluleli. All right. So, when I engaged in this topic ne, I touched on some very serious things bafethu there ne. Okay. I was able to retract it. I'll re-upload it, by the way. Okay. So, I touched on into ebaluleke ngendlela ebangalisayo where I was engaging ngama-decision makers. The decision makers in terms of umsamo wakho, sibaya sakini, esigodini sakini. We even touched on conversations with a couple of guys there. Sikhuluma wabuza beautiful question usisi lapha. Ebuza ekhuluma ngani ngesimo sephupho lakhe la ebona abakubo namakhosi nabanye abantu angabazi yabo behleli phansi endaweni engathi it's like a meeting place shuthi sesicawini lapho yabo lapho ke behuba uthola ukuthi bayakhuluma akaba understand aphinde wakhuluma ngesimo ukuthi uyambona lo wakubo uthola ukuthi uguqe phambi kwakhe phambi kwabo mhlawumbe ugogo nomkhulu nani, and how they come up with the decisions and how they are the ones abamtshelayo ukuthi thina le ndlela sifuna ibe kanje babamazisa ngesimo sani sokuyilawula ukuthi manje sekwenzeka into kanje ithini esisuke sishoyo uma kusiqaba uyobona ngalokho uma sivuma ubone ngalokho. Kunombhemo futhi wathi wafona laphana wakhuluma ngento ebalekile naye ekhuluma ngesimo sokuthi ngisho noma sekumeleke manje alivume idlozi okanye sekumeleke manje avume ukufa. Kwafika isigaba la sokuthi mabezazisa bekhuluma naye ebese bamtshela okade bamnika ithuba lokuthi amukele avume okanye anqabe athi angeke azakwazi ukwenza lokho. Ebese ke wachaza nanokuthi ke isimo ke esikhona mase kufika umuntu ongumnikazi okanye abanikazi bomsebenzi kuyibona abantu ke abashaya into eyumthetho lapho bekwenze njani na kanjani ngobani. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Ezinye zezinto zidinga ukuthi uhlakaniphe khehla uwazi ukuthi nisho noma kuthiwa into usuyayazi ukwazi ukuzethoba ayikho ke into ebalekile njengentobeko kwelamathongo. Have a listen, take it from there.